Okay. Generally, subquery means a query containing with another query is called as subquery. So we have a different types of subqueries is there. So based on the number of records it returns. So subquery means a query contains another query. It is called as subquery. Whatever the another query it's written says return output should be like it is a single value or multiple value. So based on that, again it will be divided into multiple types. So here the very first one is simple subquery, nested subquery, or multiple subqueries, or correlated subqueries. So simply in terminology wise, subqueries divided into two categories: correlated and non-correlated. Non-correlated again divided into simple subquery, multiple subqueries. So again correlated subquery. Okay. Okay. Let's see here. Simple subquery. Take the our document. So here there is some queries are there. Insert student codes. Okay, leave it for that. We have already table is there, right? Okay, all right. So go to our notes. So where is our notes? SQL 8 AM. Go to here, not here. So, just drag and drop that one. So it automatically comes. Okay. 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 Subqueries are subquery nothing but a query inside another query is called as subquery. Let's see syntax. What is subquery? So let's say select start from employee. So where is employee table? So what is the database I'm going to use here? Employee global data ID. Okay. So here in this table, okay, in this table. So now can you help me how to retrieve the top highest salary? I want to see all the details. So the very first question is what is the highest salary in this employee table? What is the max salary? Anyone help me how to write a query to fetch the max salary value? So syntax is, so we can write it. There is a max keyword, select max of salary from simple thing is, so as per the requirement, we can directly give it. Okay. The first requirement is select max salary from employee. So my requirement is very simple. I want to see all the details. I want to see all the details for employee who is the max salary. So as you know, In the employee table, I want to see employee record. What is the max salary? So now we can write this query, into another approach. So give select star from employee where salary equal to max of salary. This will work. So generally in where clause condition does not support any aggregative functions. So max does not support. If you write this directly, it does not support. Let's see if execute, it will throw error. So aggregate may not appear in the where clause condition. So looks like it does not support in the where clause condition. So in order to achieve this, so my requirement is very simple. If you get that max salary directly, you can write max function. But the thing is, at the same time, I want to print employee details as well as. I want to retrieve all the employee details. What is the employee details? So now, as you know, this is the max salary. Okay. As you know, we can, instead of give, we can directly pass this value, we can get it. Right. So this is the my requirement. But the thing is, this is static approach. So tomorrow, so another new employee will be added in this department. Definitely, if we go for this value, it will fail. So in order to achieve, what is the best approach to achieve this one? So simple solution is by using sub queries we can achieve. How we can write sub queries here? So instead of whatever that here written, right? Here written, we can write here, it will come. That's all. So salary equal to open bracket and close bracket. Okay, always required. So here, this is called as, this is main query, this is sub query, and also we can this is outer query and this is inner query. Okay, so this is sub query, this is main query. Simply you understand. So always sub query always. So here, this is non-correlated sub queries, non-correlated sub queries. So sub queries are categorized into two types. So correlated sub query and non-correlated sub query. Again, non-correlated sub query divided into multiple parts. So one is single row sub query, multiple row sub query. Okay. So here now select star from this is sub query. Select max salary from this is sub query. First which one will execute? Now we have two queries. So first which one it will be execute. Okay. So first it will execute this sub query and this sub query it will return pass this main query. Okay. First execute this one. So then it's return this value main query. Okay. Understood? So now as part of the requirement, just execute. So earlier, in order to achieve that, so what is the value? We have to pass here static. This is static approach. This is dynamic approach. See here, both the result, it will return same result. So dynamically, we can achieve. So we can call as non-correlated subquery, single row subquery. We can say. Okay. Now we'll talk about multiple row subquery. So let's see here. Take any employee. So take select star from employee info, where first name equal to Dina. Okay, or Alexander John. I want to see this query. I want to retrieve Nina and John values. Okay, John, we have different different department. John start with John C's, John Russell. Okay, yeah, that's fine. So how many departments it's written here? So 4 departments. So department ID 90, department 100, 50, 80. Now my requirement is I want to print all the employees who are belongs to department 90, 100, 50, 80. So now my requirement is, so first of all, you want to give instead of here. So take multiple rows of query. So in the first one single row sub query, it always it return one record only. So if more than one record, we can call as multiple row sub query. That is the definition. If the sub query returns, what is sub query? This is the sub query. If you return more than one value, so then it is called as, we can call as multiple row sub query. So now my requirement is, so I want to print all the employees that who are belongs to the department the whoever that మనకి నీనా అండ్ జాన్ ఈ పేర్లు ఉన్నాయి కదా, వాళ్ళు ఏ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ ఉంటే వాళ్ళ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ ఎంప్లాయీస్ అందరూ కావాలి. So in order to achieve this, so simple solution is static solution is simple. As you know, for first of all, we found out this query. Based on this, we got to know this is the department values. Then we can directly filter out where department ID department ID in. So directly we can pass the values 90, 100, 50, 80. Okay. So let's execute here. If you see here, these are the related employees where the first name and first name Nina or John. Those departments, these are all the employees belongs to. If you see here, 50, 100, 50, 80, 9. Same only we are displaying, but the employees are different. So now, so in order to pass this as a dynamic, this is static value, right? We want to pass dynamic. So how we can achieve is very simple. Just take this query here. That's all. Whatever the query we have written here, so just pass here. So instead of star, we have to give department ID. So let us zoom here in this query. So if you see here, select star from employee info where department ID equal to select department ID. Okay, this it is execute or it will fail. So definitely it will fail. The reason is equal operator will support only one value. So if the output is how many record, first of all check. If equal operator, it will always give only single value it will support. Just you want to execute how many rows are there, it is more than one value, right? This result set it is returning more than one value. So equal operator does not support if the values are more than one value. So instead of what we can do is, so there is one operator called as in operator. We can provide list of values. So in is the best suit for here. So now let's see here. Now it is returning subquery. So now this is subquery. This more than one value is there. Accordingly, it is working as expected. So this is called as multiple row subquery. Multiple row subquery. So if again, if, like yeah, we'll go for in that document wise. So let's see in the detail wise. A subquery, theoretical part is a subquery is a select statement containing another select statement. In this subqueries, at first the inner query will be executed, and based on the result, next higher query will be executed. Whenever it happens to compare a column data with the output of another select statement, then we use subqueries. So we are comparing. So here what we are comparing, the very first statement. So max salary is required. So first of all, we are comparing max salary. First we have to write what is the max salary value. So this is max salary value. Then it is returning for that value to as a another query. A query is depending the query, it is called as subquery. So we have discussed about simple subquery. So if you take simple subquery, select max salary from where salary. So we can write it the values. Similarly, whatever I have taken example, we go for that example is good for us. So multiple subqueries correlated. Last one is we can discuss about correlated sub. A query is called correlated subquery with the both the inner query and the outer query are interdependent. So first row ఇప్పుడు 5 rows ఉన్నాయి. ఫస్ట్ రో ఒక వాల్యూ వచ్చినాక ఇన్నర్ కోరీ అవుటర్ కోరీ ఆ వాల్యూ చెక్ చేసుకొని నెక్స్ట్ రోకి డిపెండెంట్ అట్లా మల్టిపుల్ ఎవ్రీ రోకి అవుట్పుట్ పైన డిపెండ్ అయ్యింది. In terminology wise, this is called as inner query. So this is called as in terminology. This is called as inner query or sub query. This is main query or outer query. Okay. So inner query always, if you go for non-correlated subqueries, either single row or multiple row, it will execute first inner query, then followed by outer query. So what is mean by outer query? This is called as outer query. So inner query always depending on the outer query. That is called as non-correlated subquery, either single row or with multiple row. So correlated is vice versa. So first of all, it will outer query will be executed and followed by inner query. Okay. So let's go for one by one. So let's take this example. Get the maximum salary from employee table. Okay. So what is the max salary from employee info? So employee ID, I don't want to employee edit first name salary. Okay. Anyone answer it? What is the max salary for here? How to achieve that one in this employee table? Generally, what is the top highest max salary? How we can write it? So, select top one, uh, top one star
Salary.
from, yeah, top one from employee info. Okay. So let's see, let execute. It will display. It will display. What is the value? 24,000. So select top one. It will be display. But you have to give this one. It will display only one record. That is fine. But the thing is, we have to provide the order. So salary. So salary. If we execute the first row itself, we have the value is 24,000. Select top. Instead of that, just execute normal select statement. So very first row record. The very first row record is 24,000. That's the reason it is first record. So in order to that, just adjust. So order by. What is the column name we have to give? Salary. Salary. Which order? Either ascending order or descending order. We want to give highest means always give descending order. So now it will achieve top highest salary. So 35,000. So 35,000 is the right answer. So now in this case, I want to top second highest salary. So now if we execute this one, so it will fail. The reason is returning top one as well as I don't want to top one. So top keyword we cannot give second highest salary. Here it is returning top first salary along with second. Only return just nine. But I don't want to the top highest salary employee details. I want to print out only second highest salary. Can we achieve again? So now what we can do is, so but it is not supporting. So let's start from order by is not supporting. So this result said if we keep here order by it is not supporting. So when you execute order by does not support it. Okay, supporting here. So order by salary. Yeah. Now see I can achieve this one. See only one record I can achieve even top one. So how we can achieve? So this is inline query. This is inline query. First it will execute. It will return two records. What I'm doing is I'm doing again. First we are fetching top two rows. Okay, top two rows. So top two rows I'm fetching. So here, so I'm taking reverse again. So from these two rows again, what we are doing? Top one order by salary. So we can achieve this way also. Top five. So top five also we can achieve. So top keyword we can achieve. What are the other methods? Anyone help me? What are the other methods? So can we achieve any rank method? Ranks. This is very important question. So can you write what is the third highest salary in the employee table? Recently we have done ranking functions. So select start from employee info. So it is returning all the records. So I want to print out what is the second highest salary. Okay. So in order to that, we have to give density underscore density rank. So I want to only print out not any department wise. If you go for department wise, we have we have is partition by. I don't want to department wise. So simply I want to go what is the second highest salary. Then no need to partition by, directly we can write as order by. So order by salary, salary descending order as row number. So density rank syntax would be, so rank function always like this, order by.
It's the last of the stand.
What is the keyword is missed, anyone?
Over, sir.
Huh? Over.
Over.
Very good. Over. So over order by salary. So now it is returning. See here, what is the rank name? So here we are giving. So now we can give select star from, select star from. You can write inline query. Okay, here. So here we can give as, we can give to alias name, then where row number, whatever we have given the row number we can give directly here, row number equal to 2. You want to print only top, second highest salary, we can achieve. So this is first approach top, second approach sub query, and also CT. Also there is one more concept. CT is nothing but to, we have to begin with the keyword. So with, so top, you can give any city name, top to highest salary as open bracket. Simple. This is similarly same, but the thing is, oh, we don't want to, we want to write here. That's all. This is the query. Then no need to give alias name. So here instead of that, we can directly select star from, what is the city name? City name here. Then where row number equal to 2. That's all. So execute all the three methods. It will be written. So what is this written? First approach is okay. First approach is, yeah, fine. The reason is we have given, yeah. Now top 5 we have given. That's why value is not matched. See here, all the methods the same written. So if you want to change top third highest salary, you can change here. You can change here 3. You can change here 3. So this, it will return the same value. So 20, 20, 20, 20. So let's talk about through how we can achieve through nth, to find a n highest salary. N means here third highest salary or fourth highest salary or fifth highest salary. Okay. So through we can achieve sub query as well as this by using correlated sub query. Okay. Okay. So now, so first of all, in order to achieve, select count. So first of all, in order to achieve that, how many salaries are there? We have to count it. How many distinct values? So distinct salary. How many values are there? How many values? 60 rows are there. Similarly, we can write here the same query. So it is returning how many rows it will be written? Count distinct of salary from employee info. Okay, just execute it. It will return how many rows? 60 rows. Sorry, 60, but one row only. Total 60 rows. Okay. Okay. So the syntax is for this one. Select star from employee info where n minus 1 equal to open bracket. So here select count of distinct salary. So salary from employee info. So here the same table we have two times is there. We can give, better to always give alias name B. So okay. So we can give as B alias name. So here we have to write it B dot. Now we are comparing here this query. This query it will compare. This is outer query. So non core sub query correlated sub queries subqueries. So first correlated subquery, first outer query will be executed, followed by the execution process. First outer query it will be executed. First outer query. Next వచ్చేసి sub query. Inner query. We can call as inner query. So ఇక్కడ ఎగ్జిక్యూషన్ ప్రాసెస్ వచ్చేసి మనకు ఎగ్జిక్యూషన్ ఫస్ట్ వచ్చేసి ఏ విధంగా జరుగుతుంది అంటే మనకు ఫస్ట్ అవుటర్ క్వరీ అవుతుంది, నెక్స్ట్ ఇన్నర్ క్వరీ అవుతుంది. మనకి ఇక్కడికి వచ్చాక నాన్ కోరిలేటెడ్ సబ్ క్వరీస్. ఓకే, ఇక్కడికి చూసుకుంటే మనకు ఫస్ట్ వచ్చేసి ఇన్నర్ క్వరీ అవుతుంది. ఫస్ట్ వచ్చేసి ఇన్నర్ క్వరీ అవుతుంది, నెక్స్ట్ వచ్చేసి అవుటర్ క్వరీ అవుతుంది. ఇది రివర్స్. ఓకే, సో ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసి సెలెక్ట్ బి సాలరీ ఫ్రమ్ బి. నౌ ద కండిషన్ ఈస్ వేర్, హియర్ కండిషన్ వేర్ a dot salary greater than b dot salary, sorry, less than or equal to b dot salary. Okay, close bracket. So salary is nothing but what is the column? Salary column. How to give salary column. Okay, now what is n minus 1? I want to, n is second highest salary. 2 minus 1. You have to give 2 minus 1. You want to give second highest salary means 2 minus 1. That means if you give 1, it will come as second highest salary. So this is the way of sub query. What is the value? 24,000, second highest salary. So what about this all? Second highest salary. So we'll go for everyone is 3 is there, right? We'll go for 3. 3 minus 1, n minus 1. 3 minus 1, 2. We have to give third highest salary means n minus 1. So we have to give second value. So let's see all the 4 queries. It will return same result or not. Salary. Okay, let's execute all the 4 methods. Let's start from employee where this one is not required. This one also not required. Okay. So in SQL, like how many statements are there, it will be execute accordingly. 1, 2, 3, third approach, and fourth approach. So only it is executing top 3 result set only. So what is happening? సో మీరు ఏ కోరి నుంచి రిటర్న్ అవుతుంది అనుకుంటే స్టాటిక్ గా ఒక కాలం పెట్టుకోండి యాజ్ టెస్ట్ అని పెట్టుకోండి. ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసి మీరు వాల్యూ మెన్షన్ చేయొచ్చు. ఇది వచ్చేసి కోరిలేటెడ్ సబ్ క్వరీస్ మీకు అర్థం కావడానికి ఏ రిజల్ట్ సెట్ ఇది ఎక్కడ టెస్ట్ కామా స్టార్. సో ఇది వచ్చేసి సెలెక్ట్ స్టార్. ఓకే, వీ హావ్ మిస్డ్ హియర్. సెలెక్ట్ star from, that's the reason, select star from this value where row number equal to 2. సో ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసి మీరు CTE కామన్ టేబుల్, CTE stands for common table expression. So mainly we can use for this as 2 recursive functions. So here we can give as this one before comma, we can have inline table. So we can call as here top keyword, top 1 comma, so we can give as top. So here it will return for all the things. So let execute. Here we can see here. So where is the issue? We have missed the comma. See here now, top inline table CTE sub. What is the value written? 2020 2024. CTE is showing. So why CTE has some issues? CTE has some issues, or let's see. First of all, so here returning some different values to identify. Select star from, first of all, employee info, order by salary. Now understood. For everyone we are giving third highest salary. Understood. See here we have to give third highest salary. We provided second highest salary. Now everywhere I have given top third highest salary. Yeah, see now every result it is returning same. See here. So this is but this is very important question. If we give fourth highest salary, 4 minus 1, 3 sub queries. So here, so 4 here we can write as 4. So now see here, this is fourth highest salary. So it will be written all are 17,000, 17,000, 17,000, 16,000. So 4 minus 1. What is meant by 4 minus 1? We have to give 3. So be careful syntax. So n minus 1. So now see here, everything it is written 17,000. So this is very important topic. So like how to display the max highest, second highest salary, or third highest salary, or fourth highest salary. So we can also by using this all the queries. Yeah, 1 minute. I'm getting call from my manager. So any questions, sub queries? Yeah, that's all for sub queries. If you have any questions, so we can discuss. So for the next concept is called as views. We close in 5 minutes. That we concepts very small one. So a view is a database object which contains a query in it. Whenever we are executing a select statement repeatedly, instead of specifying the query again and again, we can store the query under an object and execute that object whenever you want the output is required. A view also called as virtual table. Okay. So the the advantages for views is we will provide specific rows of the table. So for example, if we take an example, so where we can use these views generally. So there is a table called as employee table. So in the employee table, employee user ID, password, and salary generally. So this table having this all the details along with the first name, last name, and some more details about the employee. So now we want to give this table to for within a team. We want to give the access for everyone. So instead of that, so in this case, what are the drawbacks if we give the access for everyone? So everyone can find out what is user ID and password and this salary. So instead of that, what we can do is we can create a view. So view is nothing but to, for example, if you take here in this employee table. So instead of giving all the columns, we can create whatever the columns required here. So syntax is create view v underscore employee info. So open bracket as, so here we required what are the columns we required. Select from v employee info, sorry, employee info. I don't want to give a salary column. So for timing, so we can give employee ID, first name, last name, so email ID, so comma phone number. Okay, phone number, comma department. Right. So I want to give only these details. Okay, then you can create view. So now you can access this view. How to access this view? Simple. How we are executing? Simple. Select star from employee. Simple. We can give. So now in this view we cannot find out we cannot find out the salary. So this is the way we can use views. So here, like, specify rows of the table. So now here in this view, like, I want to alter, I want to give only for the department 90 and 100 department. So here, so we can write, this is creation, we want to alter. So instead of create, we can give as alter and apply. I want to give department 90, 50, like where department ID in 90, department 100 and 80. So only 3 departments I required. So here, just altering this view. Now let execute this view. So here, select star from view. So in this view, only 3 departments of data. So here, specified rows of the table. Here, actually, how many rows are there? 109 records are there. Out of 109, we have given 43 rows only. So we can filter out specific rows of the table and also specific columns of the table. See, actual employee table, how many columns are there earlier? Earlier, around, let me check how many columns are there employee table. So how we can check other option without executing? Go to database. So go to database, go to global edutech. So table, what is the table here? So employee info table. Go to employee info table. Again, click here. Go to columns. So here we can find out the columns. Columns. So here we can find out the column names. So how many columns is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 columns are there. Now we are giving out of 11, we are giving 6 columns, right? So now specific columns of the table. So rows fetched by using joins also. So here joins also we can support, like, what is the join? Join. So join. Sorry. So here how to write join. So department table. So department table is there here. Any department? Yeah. Department table is there. Department. So D or so employee we can call as E alias name. E dot department ID equal to D dot department ID. So I'm removing this filter right now. So we have very less data is there in the department. So let's see here. Now we have to give alias name. Which department? We are taking department name actually. Okay. So now I am going to alter this one again. So let's execute here this way. So joins also we can write. So here, see here, now I'm getting this one. So wherever in the Power BI report side, always using this story. Instead of writing this story, we can always directly we can create one view. We can use that view in the report side. So we can. What is the advantage is we don't want to read it multiple times the same code. So rows statistically summary of data given table, subset of another view, virtual table. So views are generally it categorized into 2 types: simple views and complex views. Simple view is nothing but to within the view we can fetch the data by using only one table. It is called as simple view. If you more than one table, we are using within the table, that is called as complex views. Okay, so views also, like if views also, we can update the data or we can insert the data directly. But the thing is, the condition is only one table. If it is only one table, then we can insert. Okay, yeah, that's all from my side. We'll continue. I will share this record and as well as this script as well as script document. So script document I will share now itself. I will share the record once converted. Yeah, thank you all. Any questions? Otherwise, we can. Yes. Yeah, thank you all.